My name is Paul Mackin. I'm the Chief of the North Palos Fire Protection District, located in Palos Hills, Illinois. We're here today for a final inspection of our 110-foot E1 aerial ladder. We're located in southwest suburban Chicagoland area, just a few miles southwest of Chicago, and the area is suburban, mix of businesses, industrial, commercial. This new aerial is going to be replacing our current 2001 110-foot E1 ladder truck. So it's a replacement. So and that vehicle served our jurisdiction very well. Some of the reasons that we selected it even then and want to stick with it now is the jack spread in our community. It makes the ladder more accessible. For us, the 110-foot ladder works really well, even though a lot of our buildings are low rise. We have one of the things we deal with is setbacks. So, we can't get the ladder as close to the building as you'd like, so that 110-foot ladder works great. And as I mentioned, the short jack spread works well in the urban streets. It is a Quint apparatus, although we primarily respond with engine companies supporting in our truck supporting engines. It can handle, if those companies are tied up, it can handle some fire suppression duties in its still area, like garbage fires, car fires, things like that if necessary. Working with our dealer, we have a good relationship with our dealer. We've purchased other apparatus in the past, extremely helpful. We've been E1 customers, my entire career. For 28 years we've been with E1, and even prior to. So we have a good relationship there, working with them. Every time we start a project, we have a general idea of what we want because we've been happy with the products that we have, but there's always something new that we would need to add or to accommodate some new equipment or accommodate some new response needs. So usually just working with them, we'll come up with ideas, and sometimes they'll just brainstorm and offer outstanding solutions. Even on our current truck, we're looking at a place where we can get an additional Stokes basket for RIT for our ladder truck, and they're able to kind of create a blister on the pump module, and without sacrificing any of the other components and compartment space that we had before, they were able to accommodate that additional equipment. So it's just been a great process. Coming down and seeing it in person for the first time is exciting. Obviously, you get excited about getting that piece of equipment back, getting it in service, getting all the members of the department orientated on it, and just look forward to it. So yeah, it's an exciting process. We're glad to be at this point, and just looking forward to getting the truck in service.